about what consumer and producer surplus are, what externalities are. And I recommend watching these videos from the Khan Academy down here and doing the practice material in the e-textbook and complete discussion 2. So consumer surplus is when you buy something for cheaper than what you would maximum pay for it. So for example, if you bought something secondhand, you could buy something at a massive discount compared to the full price. So maybe you buy something for $10 rather than $100. So you would gain 100 minus 10 equals $90 of consumer surplus. So there's a difference between what you pay for something and the highest price you would pay for something. Producer surplus is the amount of profit that a company makes. So it's the difference between what they charge and the cost that it takes to produce something. So it's the amount of profit. So it's the price minus cost. So let's say it costs them $1 to produce it, and then $10 is the price they sell it at. It's $10 minus $1 equals $9. That'd be the producer surplus. Externalities, that's when there is a benefit if it's a positive externality. So that means that there's a benefit to society. So for example, schools have positive externalities because they benefit society through improved civility and better communities. So that would be a positive externality. And then a negative externality is when the public is negatively affected by something. So a gas plant would produce pollution, and that would negatively affect society. So that would be negative externality. So I recommend for this, do the e-textbook questions. That's key. Do the mind tap activities. And then also do discussion 2. So discussion 2, you got to provide an example of consumer surplus and explain why it is consumer surplus, and then talk about your example of positive externality, and then reply to 2 of your classmates. So I recommend doing that, and that is key for module 7.